Welcome to the world of unstoppable shredders, where trees are torn apart in seconds by monstrous forestry machines. From trunks to twigs, nothing survives the jaws of these brutal chippers. Subscribe now for raw power in action. Welcome to Graincraft channel. This is the Albach Diamond 2000, a self-propelled, high-performance wood chipper engineered for extreme forestry operations. Watch as it takes on a massive pine tree with ease, feeding it through the drum and turning it into perfect wood chips within seconds. Equipped with over 700 horsepower, a 360-degree rotating cab, and advanced chip control systems, the Diamond 2000 delivers power, precision, and comfort in one unstoppable machine. For those who demand the best in biomass production, this is the ultimate chipping solution. Meet the Vermeer BC 1000, compact, fast, and powerful. It takes in thick branches and turns them into cream that chips in seconds. Smart feeding, strong engine, built for tree care pros. Powered by a reliable diesel engine, the BC 1000 is perfect for arborists, landscapers, and municipal crews. Light in size, but big in capability, this chipper gets the job done quickly, safely, and efficient. That's Vermeer quality in action. Deep within a vast forest, where the roar of engines never ceases, a powerful assembly of modern machinery works in perfect harmony. The log loader, with its massive steel arm, gently lifts each large, branch-covered tree trunk, as if picking up matchsticks from a fallen forest. The wood chipper growls like a hungry beast. Its hydraulic feed rollers grip the log, pulling it in as the blades spin at high speed, tearing each fiber of wood to shreds. In the blink of an eye, massive logs are neatly processed, shooting out behind the machine in smooth streams of uniform wood chips. And so it continues, the loader feeding tree after tree, in a relentless, powerful, and efficient cycle. Beneath the swirling wood dust and blazing sunlight, man and machine work together as a unified force, bringing timber from the forest into industry, wasting not a single piece. The Bandit wood chipper roars to life, ready for action. Massive logs go in, and within seconds, they're shredded into fine chips. With a powerful engine and heavy-duty blades, Bandit machines are built for serious work. From forestry to land clearing, nothing stands in its way. Fast, tough, reliable. That's the power of Bandit. This is the Vermeer WC2500XL, a 600 horsepower wood chipper built for serious work. It devours whole trees and massive trunks in seconds. With smart crush and remote control, it delivers smooth, powerful performance all day long. This is the Vermeer BC 2100XL, one of the most powerful brush chippers in its class. Equipped with a 275 horsepower diesel engine and a massive 21-inch capacity feed system, this machine swallows entire tree trunks and limbs with ease. The Smart Crush system and dual vertical feed rollers ensure aggressive, consistent feeding, even with forked or twisted material. Designed for maximum productivity, the BC 2100XL is the go-to machine for large-scale tree removal, land clearing, and storm cleanup. Vermeer power, built to dominate. The bright red Moorbark M20 are what chipper roars to life at the logging yard, standing out like a steel predator amidst the natural surroundings. Its bold red paint gleams under the light, symbolizing strength and durability. Massive round logs are fed into its infeed chute, instantly grabbed and pulled inward. The grinding drum spins up with a deep growl, tearing each log apart with ruthless efficiency. Hail with chips blast from the discharge chute in a high-pressure stream, flying through the air and raining down into towering piles. Every motion of the machine pulses with power, relentless, precise, and unwavering. Amid the roar of engines and swirling with dust, the loader and chipper work together in perfect harmony, like partners that have operated side by side for years. As the grapple releases the log, the chipper immediately grabs hold, its sharp blades spinning, shredding the timber into small, manageable chips. It's like watching an industrial beast devour forest. The operator takes just seconds to grab a log, and the chipper takes less than a minute to turn it into hundreds of wood fragments. Efficient, clean, and not a single piece goes to waste. Whether under scorching sun or in muddy, slippery terrain, the operator remains calm and focused, steadily feeding each log into the machine. Storm-felled trees or sustainably harvested timber, everything is neatly processed by the chipper's relentless blades. Watch the Janssen GTS 1500E in action, a compact powerhouse built to handle tough yard work. Equipped with a 15-horsepower engine, this self-feeding wood chipper easily processes branches up to 10 centimeters thick. Its wide hopper and sharp twin blades turn garden waste into clean, uniform wood chips in seconds. Whether you're cleaning up after a storm, pruning trees, or managing a small farm, the GTS 1500E delivers power, speed, and reliability in one compact machine. This is the Junk Carry HJ550, a robust PTO-driven wood chipper designed for serious work. Connected directly to a tractor, the HJ550 can process logs and branches up to 22 centimeters in diameter with impressive ease. Its strong steel frame, sharp blades, and powerful in-feed system make it ideal for forestry, land clearing, and large-scale wood chip production. Built for performance, reliability, and long-lasting durability, the Junk Carry HJ550 turns timber into clean chips in seconds, straight into the trailer, ready for use.